Look at that. Brand new battery installed. How you doing, guys? I picked up the truck and I got it going. It was an ordeal, okay? No, new battery. So those of you who know, I left my truck here about 5 months ago when there was the big mudslides and stuff in BC, and then it's been here the whole winter. I finally got it. I'm going to drive it back to Calgary, but it wouldn't start. The battery's drained. I was stupid enough, I didn't disconnect the battery, okay? But anyways, now I need a new battery, which sounds like it would be a simple thing to do in the 21st century, is to get a battery, but there's a story. So go to my buddy's house where I had the truck stored. Won't start. Looked at it. Yeah, it's the battery. I just got to get a new battery. And I was thinking I'll get a boost from him, because we could start it by boosting him, but it wouldn't hold the charge. I'll just get a boost and I'll drive to Canadian Tire and pick up a battery and then install it there, and then I'm on my way, right? But I thought, oh well, they might have it. I better phone first, because if he gives me a boost and I go there, then I turn off the car to go in, find the battery. If they don't have the right one, I'm screwed, right? I'm using my head. So I pick up the phone and I phone Canadian Tire. It's just a hardware store, automotive section. Say, hey buddy, I need a battery for a 2010 Nissan Xterra. What a beast, what a beautiful car. And he gets on the computer, he goes, oh, yeah, we got one here that would fit your vehicle. We only have one. It's a good thing you called. I'm in a small town on Vancouver Island, okay? I'm not in a big city. Because we only have one. And I go, oh good, I'll just get a boost because my battery's not working. I'll get there and I'll take it. He goes, well, in order to serve you better and making your shopping experience more positive, let me help you out here. You can just order it online. You can order it right through me, and I'll hold it for you, and I'll just deliver it to the front desk, and then you can, when you arrive, all you have to do is come in the store to the courtesy section, and it'll already be there. You don't have to come in the store and find it and hope that it's not gone and search for it again and talk to someone else and look up which kind of battery and spend all that time. I'll save you all that time. Let's just get it done here on the phone, and when you come here, you could just pick it up in order to serve you and enhance your shopping experience. And I thought, well, that's a great idea. Okay. Well, what information do you need? I got my credit card here, and he goes, let's just take your name and your address. And I go, oh, wait a minute. No, I'm not giving you your address and all this stuff. All of a sudden, you guys are going to stalk me. All I'm giving you is my name and credit card. He goes, well, but we require your name, credit card, and email. And I said, okay, fine. Klaus Kellerman, here's my credit card. Read out the credit card, all the details there, and I'll give you an email. And of course, I'm smart. I have one of these like fake emails, right? In case you ever have to buy something, or you're at a place that requires your email, or you sign up for something that needs an email, and you know you're going to get thousands of spam shit emails that you don't want. So I have a garbage email, like Winnie the Pooh 23 at yahoo.ca, whatever. I got a few of them, and I just give the shit email, because I know I'll never check that, and I won't be bombarded by advertising or the shit promotions that they send you. Thousands of cluttering if you have your regular email and you give it out all the time, when you end up spammed to death, right? So I'm smart. I have a garbage email. I gave him the garbage email, gave him the credit card and stuff, and he goes, okay, everything's good. Yeah, we got the battery for you. You just come on down. You can pick it up at the customer service right at the front of the store. And I said to him, so all I need is, just show up there, give my name. He goes, well, let me give you the invoice number. He gave it, it's like a 14-digit number with letters. And I wrote down the invoice number. So, okay, got a boost from my friend, drove off to the store. I'm thinking, wow, what service? I just phone it in. When I get there, I just pick it up. I had some tools in the back of the truck. I'm just going to get there, connect it, no problem. So I get there. I park, turn off the car, and I know it won't start again until I put the new battery in. And I head into the store, go in the store, so convenient, right to the front courtesy desk there. And I go, hi, how you doing? I'm Klaus Kellerman. I just bought a battery. You got it here for me? I'm here to pick it up. It's already paid for. I'm good to go. And she gets on it. Oh yeah, here we go. We got a battery. Yeah, it's the blah, blah, blah model for a Nissan Xterra 2010. Yeah, it's all paid for. Good. Can I just have your 4-digit PIN? 4-digit PIN? What do you mean? I'm Klaus Kellerman. This is the battery. I'm here to pick it up. I just called the guy 15 minutes ago. Bob. He's in the automotive section over there. She goes, oh yeah, I know. It's all set. It's ready to go for you. You just need your 4-digit pickup pin. 4-digit pickup. What do you mean 4-digit pickup pin? You get issued a 4-digit pickup pin, which you need to collect your item when you get here, in order to serve you better and make your shopping experience more enjoyable. I go, well, I didn't get a 4-digit. I've got the invoice number. It's a 16-digit number here. It's got letters. It's got look at it here. H435725X-43126BY. Klaus Kellerman, here's my credit card. That's the Nissan's parked outside. Well, I'm sorry, sir, we can't give you the item unless you have your 4-digit pickup pin. Well, how the hell do I have he didn't give me a 4-digit pickup pin. How do I get a 4-digit pickup pin? I just called the guy, I talked to him. I gave him my credit card. You guys already have my money. I just want to pick up the battery. She goes, well, with every online or telephone order, you're issued a 4-digit pickup pin. Now, obviously, you provided an email, and we immediately emailed you the 4-digit pickup pin. This is to stop fraud and to ensure that your shopping experience is a numero uno with us. So you emailed me a 4-digit pickup pin, which went to my garbage email, which I never check, which I set up, and I have garbage sent to, knowing that I'll never use it. So of course I don't remember the freaking password. So what do? I go, I don't have the 4-digit pin, but it's me. I can prove it. I have 2 pieces of ID. I have my credit card. Is there anything I could do? She goes, I'm sorry, you're going to have to access your email somehow and get the 4-digit pickup pin. So I'm screwed, right? I'm screwed. I can't get in the car and go back. I can't do anything. I don't have my computer with me. I can't find the website on my phone or I don't have the email. So I'm thinking, right? I'm smart. Like, I can solve problems. So I on my phone, I've got the number because I just called Bob at the automotive center. He's just down at the other end of the store. And I said, okay, I've got a plan. Pick up the phone. I phoned Bob back. Automotive, which department are you looking for? Do you know the extension of the person you're wanting? Do you want automotive parts? Automotive, beep. I get Bob on the first try, which is amazing because it's a small town and you get good service in a small town, right? So I got him immediately. Bob, it's Klaus calling. I just called you and I bought that battery, okay? And I've changed my mind, I don't want it. What? I thought you needed a battery for a Nissan 2010 Nissan Xterra. Yeah, I needed the battery. But I decided I don't really want it. I just bought it 15 minutes ago. Can I get a refund? He goes, well, okay, but you're probably not going to find one of those in town. You know, there's only 2 places that sell batteries. I've got it covered, Bob. No problem. Let's just delete the thing. Can you do it? Okay, let's put your information in. Do I have you here on the screen? Yeah, it's the same phone number. Yeah, I'm calling you from that phone number, Bob. And what email? I'm going to send you a confirmation. Send it to the same email, Bob. Everything's good. Yep. Okay. Has it gone through? Yes. Your refund has gone through. Sorry to hear that. You don't need the item. Hope that we can have your business in the future. Well, thank you, Bob. I'll let you know. Hang up. Look over at the customer service lady. Hi. I'd like to buy a battery for a 2010 Nissan Xterra. She goes, oh, well, you have to go to automotive service or parts for that. Well, I happen to know that you already have one right here that will fit my car, that one right there. I'm sure if you check your system, you will see that that battery is not sold. It is available in the store, and I'd like to buy it from you. Well, I'm sorry, I can't give automotive advice. You have to go to the automotive section. Okay, no problem. I wander down to the end of the store. I get to the automotive service and parts desk. There's 4 guys there. There's 4 guys in their nice little blue Canadian Tire shirts, and I'm thinking, which one of those guys is Bob? And I go, I got a 25% chance of looking like an idiot, but I'll give it a shot. I go up there, the first guy I go to, hey there, hi buddy, I'm looking for a battery. Oh, my name's Bob. I'll be happy to help you. I go, hey Bob, how you doing? I need a battery for a 2010 Nissan Xterra. He looks at me, really? I go, yeah. He goes, that's funny. I was just talking to a guy. He bought our last one, but he just returned it. You're in luck. There's one left. And I go, I know. I'll buy that. He goes, okay, no problem. I'll do the paperwork up for you right now. Oh, hey, Jimmy, can you get a cart and go to customer service and pick up that Nissan Xterra battery, the one that guy just returned? and bring it over here for this gentleman. So he's off to get the battery. I do the paperwork with Bob. And Bob says, "What's your name?" "Klaus Kellerman." "What's your phone number?" Give him the phone. "What email would you like me to send you this confirmation to?" I go, "Bob, you got the information on file there." He goes, "You're the guy." "Yeah, I'm the guy. You want to buy the battery again?" "Yeah, I want to buy the battery again." "Why do you want to buy the battery again? You just bought it and you returned it." It's a long story, Bob, but long story short is your store will not let me buy the battery unless I return it and buy it again. So he fills out the paperwork. The guy comes back with a cart. He gives the cart, and he said, Bob says, no, I wanted you to go down there with the cart and pick up the battery. The battery's over there at customer service. It was the last one. It was there for the customer that returned it." He goes, "Oh, okay." So he goes back. I'm standing there talking to Bob. The guy goes all the way back. He gets the battery, comes all the way back. He goes, "Take this battery to the front desk or the customer service desk and you can pay. Here's your invoice." So I take the invoice. I've got the battery now in a shopping cart, and I wheel back, skip the line that you pay, and I go to the customer service desk, and there she is, the same girl. I think it's Wendy. And I say, "Hey, Wendy, how you doing? How's your day?" She goes, "You're back." And I go, "Yeah, I'd like to buy this battery." She goes, "What?" "I'd like to buy this battery. I've already got the invoice here, stuff. The guy just gave me the battery. He'd like me to come here and pay for it." She goes, "Well, okay." And she looks at it. She goes, "Well, can I have your credit card?" And I go, "Here you go. Do you need a 4-digit pickup pin?" "No, you don't, right? Because I'm not actually picking it up. It's already here in my cart. I'm just going to lift it up and bring it to my car." So I pay for the battery. The whole process took about 48 minutes, okay? 48 minutes. Paid for it, wheeled it out, disconnected the old battery, and connected the new battery. And now my truck is running perfectly. See, so it's very simple, very easy. To enhance my shopping experience and make things more pleasurable for me. And I'm sure they sent an email to my junk email, which I will never see, which I never check because I don't know the password. They've probably sent an email to me saying, "Do you mind taking this survey to let us know how your shopping experience was? On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being very, very poor and 5 being spectacular, how do you rate your experience?" "Do you mind answering these 10 questions to help us serve you better in the future?" And I'm not going to bother with that. But guys, it was fun talking to you. This is a completely 100% true story. It just happened. And I'm going to start driving back to Calgary. And here's my nice, beautiful battery in all its splendor, installed in my truck by myself. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.